So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how to restore Snapchat streaks and how you can recover your lost Snap streak for free without paying money. So friends, first of all go to the profile of your friend by which you lost your Snap streak. Like guys, I am going to my friend's profile. Then remember the username of your friend. Then friends, tap on your profile. Then tap on the right top settings option. Then scroll down your page and tap on the I need help option. Like guys, I am tapping on I need help option. Then friends, you have to tap on the I lost my snap streak. Like I am tapping on I lost my snap streak. Or guys, must subscribe our channel to get more helpful or informational videos. Then tap on cross option in where is written article help. Like I am tapping, you have to scroll down your page like and tap on the cross option, and then guys tap on this article didn't help my answer and then tap on submit. Like I am tapping and simply tap on the submit option. Then friends, you have to tap on contact us option. Then friends, tap on I lost my snap streak which you found in the fourth option and simply scroll down your page. Then tap on second option, I am having trouble restoring my snap streak. Like I am tapping and scroll on your page. Then friends, tap on yes option and still need help. Like I am tapping yes. Then friends, fill this form according to the right detail. Like guys, I am filling this form. First of all, you have to tap on reason for contacting Snapchat support. So first of all, you have to tap on this and select a different issue. Then friends, you have to fill the username of your friend by which you are restoring your snap streak. Then you have to fill your email address. Then skip the mobile number option and then fill the exact date in which you are trying to restore your snap streak. Then fill the username of your friend and then the length of your snap streak. Like my snap streak is 148 before expiring. Then friends, you have to fill the description. Like I am filling, hey dear Snapchat team, please recover my lost snap streak. Then guys, simply tap on submit option. Then after one day you will receive a mail from Snapchat team in your mail, and after that your Snapchat streak will recover. So guys, must subscribe our channel and like this video.